Hello, my name is Rohit Kumar. Today I am standing here for say something about COVID-19. COVID is a disease which we know as COVID-19. It was started from China and came to India. It was very spread very quickly, and it was spread all over India. If you suffering from COVID-19, so it was lost their life very quickly, and there was no any cure for it. And most of the people faced lots of problem because the government have a strict action, and government has imposed a blocked in the entire country. People were lost their life for hunger and due to COVID-19. And if you go to any places, so you can't go because all India blocked. That time lots of problem faces them. In COVID-19, if you suffering from COVID-19, so you can't touch your body, and anybody listen. If you suffering from COVID-19, so it was very shocked, and you can't talk to you. So it is very dangerous virus. And it was very dangerous virus, but this time no any issue because coronavirus go to finish. Coronavirus finished all over India. COVID-19 due to COVID-19, the movement of vehicle, train and aeroplane in the entire country was stopped, due to which many people face lots of problem and difficulty to going say somewhere. So lots of problems facing them, but you can't go, and most of the people lost their life, hunger, and no take water, and you can go outside, so police started with you because you can why are you coming from outside. That's the reason. And in COVID-19, if you go outside, so firstly tell why are you coming outside. So most of the people most of the problem faces them, and people very stressed and tortured for this situation. That's all my side. Thank you.